Let's get into this smart lock. We have a back door that we often use, but we also have a lot of times where somebody needs to get in and we're not here. So that's why I agreed to do this. And again, looks like there's a lot of instructions here. It's a key, has a key as well. 2 keys provided. The inside knob with a nice gasket. The outside knob that has a little electric wire running through it. Combination lock on the outside here. And all the hardware. Well, I'm going to step aside and see what I need to do to mount this. Well, welcome back. I left you yesterday with this entry door, thinking I was going to put it by the back door. I can't figure out how to get the back door lock off. So I'm going to put it here on our basement door. And yes, I know this desperately needs a paint job, but that's for another day. So the first thing I need to do is take this off, and hopefully this new lock will fit exactly in that hole and I won't need to make any adjustments. Lock off. So with my old lock off, this is adjustable. Just push it in and out. It fit right inside with no extra things. So now I need to get the outside handle. This has a little rubber gasket that goes on the outside here. Put that back on. Put the little wire through first. There we go. Need to connect this wire up before I put it on. I may need my glasses for this. Plugged right in. All right. Ready to screw this in. I probably should have screwed this in first, but I forgot. I don't think any harm's done. This has a little protective coating over the painted parts. It just peels right off. We need to add batteries. This takes 4 AAA batteries that you supply. It tells you what type. It says don't use rechargeable or non-alkaline. So there's 2 on each side. And we'll put the battery pack back in. It shows you the arrow to which direction. It looks like it wants to go that way. So let me get the cap for that. To reset the code on the inside handle, we're going to press this down for 7 seconds. Now that I've cleared the factory reset, I'm going to press 1, pound key, and then my code. The written directions for this are very poorly written, hard to understand, but they do have some excellent videos on their website. And of course, there'll be a link for that below. I don't think you'll have any trouble retrofitting a lock. I think they'll fit all US manufacturers and no drilling needed, and of course, unless you're putting in a new door. But it's got a good heft to it, it's got a good finish on it, and it was pretty easy to install. Thanks for watching. Of course, There'll be a link in the description.